In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Dice Monopoly Go. Dice are the energy you spend to move around the board, so knowing exactly where to get them and how to spot the best value will keep your game moving without wasting money. You have two main places to buy dice, the in-game store and limited time event offers. Let's start with the in-game store. Open the app and look for the shop icon on your screen. Inside, you'll see a range of dice packs. Each pack shows how many dice you'll get, and many include extras like sticker packs or a bit of cash. Before you tap buy, pause and compare the dice to price ratio. A quick way to do this is to divide the price by the number of dice in the pack to get a cost per die. Lower cost per die usually means better value. Also consider whether the included extras matter to you. Sometimes a slightly higher price becomes worth it if the bundle supports an event you're currently playing. Now let's talk about event offers. During special events, you'll often see limited time bundles on the left side of your screen. These are easy to miss, so make a habit of glancing there when you log in. Event bundles often deliver more dice for your money or add helpful bonuses tailored to the ongoing event. Always read the timer and details so you understand when the offer ends and what's included. If you're planning a big push in an event, these deals can stretch your budget further. A few quick safety and purchasing tips to keep things smooth. Only buy through the official in-game shop. Never share your account, login, or payment details with anyone claiming they can sell cheaper dice. That puts your account at risk and could lead to a loss of progress. Double check that you're signed into the correct game account before confirming a purchase. After you buy, your dice typically appear right away. If they don't, give the app a moment, then restart the game to refresh your balance. If you still don't see them, use the in-app help center to contact support with your purchase receipt. To recap, buy dice either from the shop or from the limited time event offers on the left side of the screen. Compare the dice to price ratio, consider any useful extras, and keep your account information private. With these simple checks, you'll get more value from every purchase and keep the game fun and frustration free.